All right, so I'll draw a little picture here. This can be Captain America. Okay, that's not very good, but whatever. And then we'll draw Spider-Man. All right. So I just did that to kind of define my positive versus negative direction. It says throws his shield towards Spider-Man, and then Spider-Man shoots webs in the opposite direction. So I need to state that this direction will be positive. Okay, so this is a straight up conservation of momentum type question where the two objects stick together. So if I list some things out, mass 1 or mass A will be for the shield, that's 5.4 kgs. Mass B, which is the webs, is 2.7 kg. The velocity of the shield before they collide is 20 meters per second. Positive, so I'll call this x hat for the positive direction. And the velocity of the webs before the collision is what we are trying to find, I believe. Yeah, so that's unknown. It's going to be in the negative. We should get a negative answer in the x hat direction. And then we're given 5 meters per second. And that is going to be both, because they get stuck together, that's going to be both VA prime and VB prime. They both end up moving at 5 meters per second in the x hat direction. Okay, so yeah, it's just there's one variable there that I don't know. So the conservation of momentum formula, I just fill in all the variables and solve for the missing one. Okay, so starting momentums. 5.4 kilograms at 20 meters per second. 2.7 kilograms at the unknown velocity. And then after the collision, it is, well, I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to say the total mass, both of them are stuck together, so the total mass is moving at 5 meters per second in the positive direction. Okay, so that's how I can write it out, and then I'm solving for VB. Okay, so maybe I'll just do this one step at a time here. So I'll do 5.4 times 20, it's 108. And then on the other side, 5.4 plus 2.7 is 8.1 times 5, 8.1 times 5. That would be 40.5. All right, so I'll keep going. Subtract 108 on both sides. So that would be negative 67.5. And then divide both sides by 2.7. So get my calculator here. So the answer is negative, which is what I want, negative 25. It's negative 25 in the x direction because Spider-Man shot the webs the other way. Okay, so this number it's faster than the shield was going. And it needs to be, because it's much lighter. It's half the mass of the shield was. So to try to balance it out as much as possible. It's not totally balanced because the shield still ends up having a forward momentum. But yeah, these webs have got to go faster than the shield to have that kind of an effect on it.